Alright, so in this video I'm going to go over the lab knowledge folder from the ACE repository. Here we have all of our rule functionality, the actual rule files, that is. The rules being how we automate business. I mentioned briefly an example with insurance companies. Here, as I open the queries folder, you can see we're going to be looking at booking requests, booking status, and the bookings themselves. So we have the different queries to look them up. Sorry, the queries DRL file, not folder. And the create booking DRL file has a wider variety of these rules. We have this when-then format. The rules are separated into different groups. And we're looking for whenever certain criteria are met. That is what the when I'll have. Say we have a booking request object at all, or in line 37, that rule talks about a booking request object given a certain venue. The accommodations need to match the certain type that pertains to that venue, of course, which is what the second line in line 41 of the when represents. The then is when we insert facts into the system. Facts, like in this case, booking status revoked, represent a booking status that isn't going to work. And so our service checks for whenever a fact is added. And when a fact is added, then it'll report back around the system. As you see later in the front-end videos, the UI will show up and say, oh, this booking isn't going to work because you have this booking status revoked. Or more specifically, the venue name, the venue type doesn't allow for that kind of performer. Or it's going to be after the close or after the open of the actual venue, and it would be a no-go. Can't have a show going on when you're closed. So each of these rules have a different set of criteria to match that idea. If you want to see how they're tested, look at the lab test harness video and lab key services. So here we also have a booking process, a BPM file for standing for Business Process Manager. This looks simple, like it just has validate booking and confirm validation and then ends. So this is more like a service that we send our requests to that then flow through that structure of making sure that they get validated and or recognized for